Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can basically create these drop shadow border effects. Right click on your video copy, right click paste, and then we are going to scale this down just a little bit, and we're going to add this background below that, and we're going to go to mask, and we're going to kind of shape it into like a border. Do not like put it so far, because we are going to feather it out, so maybe this sizing is good. And then we're going to use the slider tool or the arrow tool to feather out the border. I like to feather it just a little bit to give that kind of like nice shadow effect. Now for the drop in, it's a little bit different. Add in this stock video on top, go to mask again and select rectangle and reverse. And you are going to basically create a frame out of it, like so. Wait, maybe that's okay. Then we're going to add in the black background to it, like that. And then we are going to, not move it. Don't know why I moved it a little bit. And then we are going to select the rectangle tool again and reverse it. And then we're going to adjust it just so a little bit of it is showing. And then again, we're going to feather it out. If it's too much, just scale it down again. Can't see, okay, you can see it here. And it should look like there is some shadow inside the frame. And that is basically it. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below, and I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!